Hey guys, this motion designer made $500,000 freelancing his first year. This designer makes $1 million a year just freelancing. I've talked with freelance videographers getting $15,000 and $20,000 for larger projects each month. We've spent weeks analyzing creative freelancers, and over the next 3 Freelance Fridays, I'm going to break down the 3 things that these freelancers have in common that is generating clients for their business so that you can do the same for yours. You probably won't end up making $1 million per year or even $500,000 per year, but I believe that any talented creative can have consistent income that is over 6 figures. In part 1 of this series, we're going to be going over the most basic thing you can do and should be doing to get that consistent income, and that's being seen. And at first glance, you're going to think that this is boring and just too much work. But in reality, this will take less than 30 minutes a day and will help you get clients each month. The first boring thing you need to do is create a website. If you don't have one, it's easy to do. Let me tell you why and how. Most potential clients, especially those that are looking to spend over $5,000, will check if you have a website. And the more they're willing to spend, the more they'll be reassured by you having a website. As to how do you do it? That's easy. This video isn't sponsored, but companies like Squarespace are perfect starting points for a simple portfolio website that has a good About You section and a clear place to contact you. If you want a step-by-step walkthrough for setting up your site, go to Instagram and DM me website123, and I'll send you a free training that will walk you through the process step by step. And yes, it's free. You're welcome. And by the way, people viewing your socials are doing the exact same thing. They're looking in your bio for a link to your business website. And that brings us to the next point. Be active on Instagram. Post and engage. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to be doing, whether you're actively working on client work or not, is posting on Instagram. You should be creating reels and posting them regularly so that you can showcase your skills and your work, and shouting out clients when they launch your work. You can also show off past work or take footage you've shot and be creative with it. The second thing you should be doing on Instagram is find at least 10 small businesses in your area and engage with them. Follow their accounts, leave genuine comments on their posts, and send them direct messages to introduce yourself and your services. You should also be doing the same thing for potential clients who aren't local. An example would be that business coach in another state or country who has a small following and could use your help polishing up their videos or creating more content. Speaking of businesses, I highly recommend that you are active on LinkedIn. You can take the same Instagram strategy and basically replicate it on LinkedIn. Take your Insta content and just put it on LinkedIn. Interact with posts from local businesses or non-local talent who you recognize need your help with video. When you comment on a post from a target client who already has little engagement, what is likely to happen is that they will click over to your LinkedIn profile. Now, there are some advanced strategies that you can do that I won't get into right now. I'll save that for another Freelance Friday. But for now, just post and engage as you would on Instagram. And this brings up our final tip to be seen, and that's to run meta ads on Instagram. So the final video in this series will be focused more on this and give you more insight, but I want to prepare you right now for it. I'm seeing more and more freelancers and agencies run video ads to raise awareness of their services and to get new clients. And here's the secret. Many of them are doing it themselves and then using the profits from that to pay someone else to scale up their campaigns. You can do the same thing, and if you have the courage and time, I'm going to help you. I'm telling you, learning to run Facebook ads can be a game changer for your freelance business. And guess what? You already have 2 significant advantages over other advertisers. First, as a videographer, you have the skills to create compelling video ads that grab attention. Second, your high-ticket offer, which we'll go over in next week's video, allows you to spend more on acquiring customers compared to businesses with lower-priced products or services. I'm really excited to share this info with you, and if you're seriously interested in growing your freelance business, then I highly recommend that you join our Pro Video Freelancer community. We literally have weekly calls with industry experts, sales training calls, and courses that help you grow your business. You can even find a mini masterclass on getting the perfect testimonial and how to use them to get more clients. We teach you so many other cool things, like for example, how to get clients to book you out months in advance, and so much more. Most importantly, guys, you'll have a group of industry peers at various stages of their freelance journey who can talk you through problems and who will be there to celebrate your wins with you. Click the link in the description to join, and I hope to see you there.